So let's just get right into it. Wait, I don't have the fat cable that connects to the PC. I only have this Chinese knockoff wall plug. So at the moment, my iPad is at version 9.3.5. Actually, there we go. And so if yours is also at 9.3.5 version with the iPad mini, first generation, you can also probably follow the same instructions. Otherwise, you'll have to go to the links in the description, find a version for your iPad or iOS device, and follow those instructions. But they should be generally the same or similar to my jailbreak instructions in this video. Anyways, let's get started. Today, we'll be doing a semi-untethered jailbreak. This basically means that it will mostly jailbreak your device, but sometimes you'll have to rerun the jailbreak tools in order to install new apps, or if you ever reset or restart your device, then you'll have to restart the jailbreak again. But for our purposes, this is okay, as I only have a few things that I want to install in this video and to use in general. So in order to jailbreak your iPad mini 1 version 9.3.5, what you want to do is go to Safari and type in Panda helper. Right, so Panda helper. And you want to go to the first link, it's panda-helper.org, and you just want to download for iPhone. Okay, and you want to press download link 1. And just press install. And then password. And then once you get to this screen, you just say install and install. Okay, and so basically this will install Panda Helper. Next, what you want to do is go to this app, because it will install an app, and we just search for Phoenix. Phoenix is the actual jailbreak that we want, and then we just do this one and we press install now. Install without plan. Open and install. Okay, now this will install the Phoenix jailbreak to your home screen. There we go. Okay, so now we have the Phoenix app, so we can press it, and it says untrusted enterprise developer. Right, so basically that means that we need to trust the app in order for it to run. So we go back to general and or settings, and then general, and then we go to profiles and device management down at the bottom. We want to click on this one, the enterprise app, Jiangsu Electric Power Information Technology. It should have the same logo as the app, and then we press trust and trust. Right, and so this will trust the app so that we can actually run it. Press it, and now it opens. Right, so now it says your iPad 2.5, and it doesn't really matter. Right, is not jailbroken. Just press prepare for jailbreak, and it'll give you some stuff, warnings, whatever, right? Just a warning, it will violate your warranty for your iPad, so make sure that you're doing this on an old one that you don't care about, or that you don't care about your warranty. Accept. Right, free mixtape available, yeah, whatever, dismiss. Whatever, proceed with jailbreak is down at the bottom. Click on that, and just press begin installation, and use provided offsets. And I'll get back to you once this is finished. Okay, so once your iPad has restarted, what you want to do is sign in, log in, whatever, and if you do not see a new app appear on your home screen, what you want to do is go back into the Phoenix app because it might say that it's not jailbroken, right? And if it says that, then you basically have to jailbreak it again. You may have to do this multiple times in order to make sure that your jailbreak goes through, but as long as you keep on doing it, it will eventually jailbreak. So I'll get back to you once it is actually jailbroken and I will have a new app in my home screen that I did not install. So after the second try, I finally got a new app on my iOS device that I did not see before, Cydia. And Cydia is basically like an app manager that allows you to install new apps that you couldn't really through the App Store. Panda Helper is kind of the same, but Cydia gives you more access to more apps that do a lot more with your device. But before that begins, we have to go back to the Phoenix app, and it says that it is prepared for jailbreak, but the jailbreak is not enabled. Right? If that says that for you, then you have to kickstart the jailbreak. Skip all the Panda ads. Kickstart jailbreak, and this will enable it so that you can actually start using stuff. And you want to use provided offsets. Okay, so after that restarts, what you want to do is go back to the Phoenix app and just check to make sure that it is jailbroken. And we can now launch Cydia from the home screen. And Cydia is, again, the app store, but better. Why is my storage almost full? Oh, whatever. So, Cydia, right? And then what we want to do is just let it load because it might take a while. And with these upgrades, you probably want to upgrade them. So I will see you back once I have finished updating it. So that update probably finished. And in order to show off the full capabilities of a jailbroken iPad, what I will do is install a game. And what better game to show this off than Pong? And install. So yeah, I'm installing Pong. Very poggers. Definitely showing you the full capabilities of jailbreaking your iOS device. But yeah, you can install almost anything on Cydia, and if you can find it online, you can probably find it on Cydia, and you can install it on your iPad. Okay, so Pong finished installing, and what that means is that if I go to my home screen, I will have a new app, Pong. And basically, I can just play Pong on my iPad. Okay. I'm not good at Pong. Okay. I won one. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to jailbreak your own device, I'll leave a link to some guides in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, do that, and I'll see you next time. Bye.